Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna talk about top 5 features of recently announced Galaxy A8s. The display might look weird, but this could be one of the first trends of the phone in 2019. Samsung's Infinity O display is a tall panel that looks to offer a bezel-less experience by punching a hole in itself. As you can see, the display just turns across the circular cutouts, which makes us wonder how exactly the interface will adjust to the hardware choice. In terms of display panel itself, the phone features an LCD panel that measures 6.4 inches and bears a Full HD Plus resolution. While the beautiful Infinity O display adorns the front of this Samsung device, its rear end has been fitted with a curved glass panel which exudes a premium vibe. Binding both the surfaces together is an aluminum frame which allows you to have a good grip on the phone, as well as the standard placement of the fingerprint scanner give the device a familiar yet attractive appearance. After introducing the triple camera setup on the Galaxy A7, Samsung has pushed it into the new Galaxy A8s as well. This assembly includes a 24 megapixel main sensor for regular shots, which also comes with a f1.7 lens to aid low light photography. The second one is a 10 megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera, which delivers 2x optical zoom. And the third one is a 5 megapixel f2.2 snapper that offers live bokeh effects for clicking portrait shots. Samsung has equipped the new Galaxy A8s with a 24 megapixel front-facing snapper hidden inside the punch hole of the Infinity O display. This sensor is accompanied by a f2.0 aperture lens and is capable of capturing 1080p videos. And as usual, beautification features along with an HDR option will be at your disposal. The Samsung Galaxy A8s does not ship with the top-notch chipset out there, but it does offer the best mid-range SoC available right now, the Snapdragon 710 processor. It features a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor with an Adreno 616 GPU. Moreover, this setup has been paired with 8GB of RAM in top model. The other variant doesn't quite fall behind either, with its incorporation of 6GB of RAM. 128GB of built-in storage is standard for both these versions of the phone, and microSD card slots are also present on them for further storage expansion. So if you're okay with the absence of 3.5mm headphone jack, these reasons should definitely compel you to watch out for the newly launched Galaxy A8s. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know which features you like the most. And also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.